Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2023. It's the fourth match in round 2. The scores are Wolmer's Girls 6, St. Catherine High 9. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Wolmer's Girls, it's time for your first minute. Wolmer's Girls, in the Bible, what was the name of Zipporah's first son?
Dan.
Incorrect. Gershom. Myosin works with another protein to produce cell movements. What is the name of that protein?
Pass.
Actin. Is the word charlatan a noun, verb, or adjective?
Adjective. No.
Noun.
Correct. What is the title given to the chief legal advisor for the Jamaican government?
The
Attorney General.
Correct. What is the smallest of the 5 Great Lakes by volume?
Lake Ontario.
No, Lake Erie. The Solomon Islands are located in the southwest of which ocean?
Pacific.
Correct. Who hosted the 2021 American Music Awards?
Pass.
Cardi B.
Cardi B. What metal has the second highest percentage in the alloy duralumin?
Copper.
Correct. What 3 numbers follow in the series 1, 4, 9, 16?
25 and 36.
And
49.
Yeah.
Correct. Which actress created the sitcom Abbott Elementary?
Lucy Montgomery.
No, Quinta Brunson. And that's it for the first minute for Wolmer's Girls. Now we go over to St. Catherine High for their first minute. St. Catherine, in the Bible, what name did Moses give to the altar of the place where he defeated Amalek?
Pass.
Next. Come back.
Pass.
Pass.
Jehovah Nissi. What is the name of the most abundant protein in the human body, accounting for about 1/3 of its
collagen.
protein?
Collagen.
Correct. Is the word luscious a noun, verb, or adjective?
Adjective.
Correct.
Nice.
What is the title given to the chairman of each parish council in Jamaica?
MP. Member of Parliament.
No, mayor.
Come.
Which
Next
of
one.
the 5 Great Lakes has its deepest point at 13,000 feet?
Lake Superior.
Correct.
Good.
What is the largest of the Solomon Islands?
Largest. Pass. Next.
Guadalcanal, who hosted the 2022 BET Awards?
T. Jack Harlow.
Nice.
No, Taraji
Come
P.
back.
Henson. What is the end product of alloying copper and gold together?
Copper and gold.
Tin.
Brass. Brass.
No, red gold.
Next.
What are the next 2 numbers that follow in the series 1, 8, 27, 64?
64.
That would be 125 and 216.
Correct.
Nice. Good.
And that's it. That's the end of the first minute for St. Catherine High. Now we go back to Wolmer's Girls for their second minute. Wolmer's Girls, in what year was the first shipment of bauxite from Jamaica?
1958.
No, 1952. Which club won the 2021-22 UEFA Champions League?
Chelsea FC.
No, Real Madrid. What nationality is the physicist known for Coulomb's law?
French.
Correct. What family member is La Bisnieta?
the great-grandmother.
No, great-granddaughter. Who is the Caribbean author of the book Things I Have Withheld?
Marin Morris.
No, Kai Miller. Complete the Jamaican proverb, the nearer the bone,
Pass.
the sweeter the meat. In the Bible, who was the father of the judge Samson?
Manasseh.
No, Manoah. What is the name of the sugary substance that many insects get from flowers?
Chitin.
No, nectar. Spell hoodwink, which means to deceive or trick.
H-U-D-W-I-N-K.
No, Hoodwink. Who was crowned the 2022 Miss Universe Jamaica?
Shanique Singh.
No, Toshami Calvin. Which island country's national language is... And we're going to hold that one. That's the end of the second minute for Wolmer's Girls. Now back to St. Catherine High for their second minute. St. Catherine, which actress created the sitcom Insecure?
Insecure. Pass.
Issa Rae. Which company built a bauxite plant in Ewerton, St. Catherine, Jamaica in 1959?
Windalco.
No,
Nice.
Alcan.
Come. Next.
Who won the 2022 FA Community Shield in England?
The Shield. Liverpool FC.
Yes.
Good,
What
nice.
nationality is the physicist known for Ohm's law?
Nationality.
German.
Correct. What family member is El Primo?
Primo. The male cousin. Good.
Yes. Who is the Caribbean author of the book of Women and Salt?
Laura Goodison. Laura Goodison.
No, Gabriela Garcia. Complete the Jamaican proverb, the higher the monkey climb.
The more I'm exposed.
Correct. In the
Nice.
Bible, who was the father of the judge and prophet Samuel?
Samuel.
His father.
Elkanah.
Correct.
Nice.
What is the leaf of a fern called?
Leaf of a fern. Pass. Branch. Next. Pass.
Frond. Spell bombast, which means insincere speech.
Bombast.
Correct. Who was crowned Miss Jamaica World in 2022?
It's Jamaican word.
Sadiq, sing.
Yes,
Nice.
which language is also known. And we're going to hold that one. End of the second minute for St. Catherine High now. Back to Wolmer's girls. This is their third and final minute. Wolmer's, which major river's water is controlled by the Aswan Dam?
Pass.
Nile, which female singer will release a 2023 album entitled Did You Know That There's a Tunnel Under Ocean Boulevard?
Billie Eilish.
No, Lana Del Rey. What is the mass number of phosphorus to the nearest whole number?
31 grams.
Correct. To the nearest whole number. What is the circumference of a circle with diameter 4 centimeters?
2 times.
Yeah. 11 centimeters.
Incorrect. 13 centimeters. Who voiced the character of Stinky Pete?
Pass.
Alan Kelsey Grammer. In what year was British Honduras renamed Belize?
1981.
No, 1973. For which NBA team in the USA does Jimmy Butler play?
Chicago Bulls.
No, the Miami Heat. A distillation column is used to separate the constituents of a liquid mixture by which two processes?
Evaporation and crystallization.
No, evaporation and condensation. What is the English translation for Gloria a Dios, estoy vivo?
Gloria left. Said bye.
No, praise God, I'm alive. And that's the end of the third and final minute for Wolmer's girls. Now back to St. Catherine High for their third and final minute. St. Catherine, which major river has tributaries named the Lahn and the Moselle?
Zambezi.
No, the Rhine. Which female singer will release a 2023 album entitled Trustfall?
Trust.
Lizzo.
No, Pink.
Combat.
What is the mass number of aluminium to the nearest whole number?
Volume 13, 26, 27.
Correct. To the nearest whole number. What is the perimeter of a circle whose radius is 3 centimeters?
That's a 6 pi. 6 pi. That would be 18 centimeters.
No, 19 centimeters.
Combat.
Name one of the actresses who voiced the character of Sarabi in The Lion
Pass.
King.
Beyonce knows.
No, Mad Sinclair or
Combat,
Alfred
combat.
Woodard. Which country's original name, when translated, means Isle of Springs?
Jamaica.
Correct. For which
Nice.
NBA team in the USA does Russell Westbrook play?
Los Angeles Lakers.
Correct. What device is used for measuring or maintaining orientation and angular velocity, for example, in an aircraft?
Gyroscope.
Nice.
Correct. What is the English translation for subo las aiska? And no time for that. End of the third and final minute. End of our speed challenge. The scores at this time, Wolmer's girls on 13, St. Catherine High on 24. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. The fourth match of round 2 in TVJ Schools Challenge season 2023 returns right after this.